morning, ladies and gentlemen, and may the 4th be with you. For this video, we're going to explain and go over the accommodated project for the actual next 2 weeks. This is a little bit of a bigger project, so we have it separated into 2 actual weeks to give you as much time as you need to complete it. So just so you can see right here, each week you will still have typing, which is due every single Sunday, Sunday evening, 40 minutes for both this week and next week, week 7 that we are out. And then you will have this particular project, and it is broken up into a part 1 and part 2 and 3. So let's kind of jump into what you're actually going to be doing. All right, so what you are going to be doing is you're going to be building a spreadsheet in which you are going to research your favorite meals that you like to eat out and find the nutritional facts in those particular meals. So I'm going to scroll all the way down at the bottom so you can kind of see, whoops, I'm going to flip over so you can kind of see what it looks like. So this is an example of what it will look like. So you will have your particular meals, your calories, fats, carbohydrates, cholesterol, etc. in that particular meal. Now, the first part 1, week 1, is you setting everything up. All right, all you have to do is go through and follow the directions. Everything here we have done before, and you need to go through and set things up exactly as we have them displayed here. We've even given you a little reminder tip, freeze bar. We've talked about it, and we've done it before, but it's been a little while, so we kind of put in a refresher on how to use the freeze bar. So that's week 1. That's what you need to do this week. Now, week 2, the more part that takes a little bit of time is you actually going in and researching your particular meals. All right, you need to find 3 meals, all right, of various restaurants that you would like to go to. These can be a fast food restaurant. These can be an actual sit-down restaurant like Red Robin, or it can be, any place you would like to go eat. The key to it is you just have to make sure that you can find the nutritional facts. Generally speaking, the more national brands, the more national chains are the ones that are going to have those nutritional facts for you to find. So let me jump over so you can see the example here that I've given. Like my breakfast, I went to McDonald's. My meal included my Egg McMuffin, no Canadian bacon, please, no Canada, only American bacon. Hash browns, sausage burrito, and a small coffee with cream. That was my breakfast meal. So then I included the calories for that, everything in that meal, the fat, carbohydrates, cholesterol, protein, and sodium. Okay, that was that meal. Everything that I put in that box, those were the nutritions for that particular meal. Now, how did I find all that? Most websites, especially the national brands, will give you those nutrition calculators. In fact, you put in your meal and it will tell you what the nutrition calculator does. Okay, so Chipotle, if you go to Chipotle and you build your Chipotle burrito, all right, it will tell you exactly what all of those items are, what all of those nutritional facts are inside of that particular meal. Make sure when you're building your meal that you include a drink, all right? Water does count as a drink. Obviously, I have it listed right here, but you need to make sure you also have it listed here in your food and restaurant cell itself. So this is week 7, the second part of you actually doing the research and then modifying and doing a little bit of functions there as well. So that is why we have this set up as a 2-week project, because doing some of that research takes some time, and we want to make sure you have plenty of time to do it. If you have any questions throughout the project itself, please do not hesitate to reach out to myself or Mrs. Callahan. We both have our office hours. My office hours are Wednesday mornings from 8 to 9. I do not remember Mrs. Callahan's office hours off the top of my head, but I know she has them posted in her Google Classrooms. If those times don't work, please don't hesitate to reach out and email us, and we can set up another time. Or if you have questions, we're more than happy to go over things with you. Hopefully, everyone is well, and hope to see you everyone very soon.